Olivia, how's that chicken bone? How's that piece of chicken? It's your first chicken wing. We're going to send this to your grandparents. They're probably really going to think we're great parents with this one. Yeah, tear it up, girl. Tear it up, girl.
Let Mama see it. Let Mama see it. Now watch your face. Watch your face.
Oh, we lost chicken wing. Chicken wing down. Chicken wing down. Wing down. Wing down. Now, to all of you out there that were non-believers, I told you this girl was half black. Look at the way she attacks this chicken.
Sean.
Look at it. Just look at the way she attacks it.
I didn't have anything to do with it.
Look at it. Attack that chicken, girl. Tear it out. Tear it out, girl. That's my daughter. This is a proud moment.
I don't know if she likes it.
You sure?
I don't know.
This is a proud moment here.